forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on matrices and determinant. Question number 1. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that A into adjoint A equal to this, find determinant of adjoint A. तो पहले दिमाग में आना चाहिए what is adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1 where A is a square matrix of order n. So first we have to calculate determinant A from this equation. Since A into adjoint A is equal to 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11, taking common 11, so we get identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, means we can write 11 into identity matrix. And now see this, A into adjoint A equal to 11 into identity matrix. This will look like A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into identity matrix. So on comparing, determinant A equal to 11. अब now find determinant adjoint A. So determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1, but A is a square matrix of order 3. So 3 minus 1 means determinant A whole square. So 11 square is equal to 121. Next problem. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of transpose of matrix A equal to 7, then find determinant A inverse. Since we know this formula, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A. And again we know determinant of transpose of A equal to determinant A. So in place of this we can write determinant of transpose of A, and determinant of transpose of A is given 7. So 1 upon 7. Next problem. If A equal to this, then find the value of lambda for which A inverse exists. Since A inverse exists, therefore A is non-singular matrix. That is, determinant A not equal to 0. अब determinant A 2 0 1 lambda 2 1 minus 3 5 3 is not equal to 0. Expanding along C1, 2 in bracket 2 3 is 6 minus 5 minus 0 plus 1, 0 into any number 0, so no need to write in bracket, 1 into 5 lambda minus 2 into minus 3 minus 6, so plus 6, not equal to 0. 6 minus 5 1, so 2 plus 5 lambda plus 6 not equal to 0. So 5 lambda not equal to minus 8. So lambda not equal to minus 8 upon 5. Therefore lambda belong to set of real number minus 8/5. सिर्फ -8/5 को छोड़ के सारे रियल नंबर्स. Next problem. This is very important result. if A and B are square matrices of the same order, then prove that adjoint of product of two matrices is equal to adjoint B, second matrix first into adjoint of matrix A. अब इसकी स्टडिंग कहाँ से करेंगे? वी नो वन ऑफ द रिजल्ट, सिंस ए बी इनवर्स is equal to B inverse into A inverse. A formula for AB inverse, 1 upon determinant AB into adjoint AB, where adjoint AB determinant AB not equal to 0 is equal to B inverse 1 upon determinant B into adjoint B into A inverse 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of matrix A. Next step, adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Why? Because we know that determinant AB is equal to determinant A into determinant B. So this or this cancel, this into this equal to this. So we get adjoint AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Next problem. If P is a 3 by 3 matrix such that transpose of P equal to 2P plus identity matrix, then there exists a column matrix X equal to XYZ not equal to 0 matrix such that which of the option is correct? Px equal to this, Px equal to X, Px equal to 2X and Px equal to minus X. So in each case we have to find Px. Matrix X is given, means we have to find matrix P. So from which equation we can find matrix P? That equation. So लिखेंगे अब सबसे पहले, since P dash equal to 2P plus I, give equation number 1. अब taking transpose on both the side, so transpose of P transpose equal to 2P plus I transpose. Transpose of P equal to, we can separate transpose of 2P plus transpose of I. P is equal to 2 common and transpose of P, and transpose of identity matrix is equal to identity matrix. So there are two equations. From these two equations find the value of P. So substitute value of P dash from equation 1 to 2. So P equal to 2, in place of P dash write 2P plus I. Simplify. So P equal to 2 to ja 4P plus 2I plus I. 2I or I 3I and 4P minus P 3P. Send 3I dead side, so minus 3I. So matrix P equal to minus into identity matrix. Therefore Px equal to, so P into minus I. Minus sign common. Any matrix into identity matrix is equal to matrix itself. So minus P. So which of the options? Sorry. Px equal to minus I into X is equal to minus I into X is equal to X. Any matrix into identity matrix is equal to matrix itself. So which of the option is correct? Px equal to minus X. Next problem. If P equal to this 2 by 2 matrix and Q equal to product of 3 matrices P and transpose of P, A equal to this and X equal to P transpose into Q raised to the power 2020 into p, any random variable we can take. Then find matrix x. x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है आपको, और x की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, p डैश q रेस्ट पावर दिस, यानी इसकी वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है. एंड q इज गिवन, यानी अपन को क्या निकालना है, q स्क्वायर q क्यूब. सच क्वेश्चन में कोई ना कोई एक सिमेट्री होनी चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड q स्क्वायर. q स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू q इंटू क्यू, q इंटू क्यू, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ q इज p a p डैश इंटू p a p डैश. अब नाउ यूज एसोसिएटिव और कम्यूटेटिव लॉ एंड सिंप्लीफाई. p a p डैश p write together and a p dash means first we have to find value of p dash p. p is given, अब now find p dash p. So give equation 1. Since p dash p is equal to, p dash means transpose of matrix p, root 3 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 into matrix p, root 3 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. अब now multiply this into this, root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 1. Now this into this, root 3 by 4 and minus root 3 by 4 cancel, so we get 0. Now this into this, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 cancel, 0. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, so 1, means we get identity matrix. So pp dash equal to identity matrix. So now substitute here. So therefore q square is equal to pa into identity matrix into a p dash. Now take these two matrices together. So pa identity matrix into any matrix, matrix A or p dash. So we get pa square p dash. अब similarly find q cube. q cube we can write q square into q. अब tell me value of q square, p a square p dash into q. q means p a p dash, p a p dash. Now simplify, p a square, write p dash p together, a p dash, and p dash p we just get identity matrix, so write identity matrix. So p a square into identity matrix into a p dash, write together. So p a square into a into p dash, so we get p a cube p dash. So we get some symmetry. देखो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, q स्क्वायर में a स्क्वायर आ रहा है, q क्यूब में कितना आ रहा है, a क्यूब. Therefore q रेज टू दी पावर 2020 में क्या मिलेगा आपको, p a रेज टू दी पावर 2020 p dash. अब we have to find x. Therefore x is equal to, what is x, p dash q 2020 and p. Now substitute value of q 2020. So p a 2020 into p dash into p. Now separate p dash p a 2020 and p dash p. p dash p equal to identity matrix. So identity matrix into a 2020 into identity matrix means we get a 2020. अब now find value of a raised to the power this, matrix A is given. So now find a square, a cube in this way. and substitute here. Now find a square. A square equal to a into a, 1 0 1 1 into 1 0 1 1. Multiply row by column, 1 plus 0, so we get 1 here. 1 plus 1, we get 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So in a square we get 1 2 0. Symmetry is there. In a matrix 1 1 1, 1 is there. In a square 2 is there. Now find a cube. A cube equal to a square into a is equal to, a square means 1 2 0 1 into matrix A. Matrix A is 1 1 0 1. Again multiply. So 1 into 1 1 and 2 into 0 0. So 1. 1 into 1 1 and 2 into 1 2. 1 plus 2 3. 0 or 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. This time we get 3. So similarly, if we write a raised to the power 2020, then we get 1 2020 0 and 1. It means value of x is 1 2020 0 and 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.